Hey, how's it going today, Elmo? You been getting some good Z's? Hey, well, yeah, I've been getting a lot of Z's. Well, that's very good. So how's your family treating you nowadays? Really good. Well, just to let you know, your mother got raped and murdered, and now she's deceased.
Big birds don't cry, doom, doom, and I feel your hand linger on my ass now, doom, doom.
Just kidding. She's not dead, but she's a stupid whore.
And on this day, Big Bird learned never to fuck with Elmo ever again. Because sometimes things happen backstage and we don't hear about it. And just because you're a big yellow bird, that doesn't mean you can push people around, you piece of shit. Good night. I hope you learned your ABCs, you stupid fuck. Please confront me backstage and I will apologize.